How you doing? So this is the video number 2, obviously carrying on from the first video I did of me obviously picking it up and bringing it home. So I've had this Whaly out, crikey too, at least 4 or 5 times now in the last 3 weeks. Man, I've got nothing but good things to say about this boat. It's really outperformed everything that I was hoping for, and am I happy? Yep, I'm ecstatic. It's been good. Yeah, it's very much exceeded everything that I was hoping for. So, if you're thinking about buying one, I would recommend it. These are great boats. Yeah. So, obviously, mods. First mod, I talked to Mark, and he's the local Whaly franchise owner from New Zealand, and we talked about getting a bench seat. So luckily he had one in stock. Didn't have a grey one to match the colour of the boat, but black I think suits it quite well, so purchased one of those. I'd recommend one of these. At first I wasn't going to buy one, but now I have one, and it's well worth the money. Just how useful it is. I mean, I didn't think it was going to be that useful, but it's turning out really easy to move. That was one of the first things. I mean, it's light, but how much stuff you can store in it. I mean, obviously you can put a little 10-litre tote tank in there. I personally, I'm actually thinking about getting a 10-litre tote tank. At the moment I've got a 25-litre. And so at the moment I simply chuck in all my dry stuff, clothes, lunch, obviously all my life jackets when we come to anchor, just put them in there out of the sun. And I was quite surprised how dry it keeps. I mean, there's no rubber anywhere, but yet the water seems to obviously hit, drain off, and doesn't go inside. So that's a massive plus to be able to go for a dive or go for a fish or whatever you're doing, and knowing that your gear, your radios, your UHFs or whatever you've got in there will all stay dry and safe. So it's fantastic. I love it. The fact that you can move it around the boat, obviously it's light enough so I can get right in front, all the way back. You can use it as a seat. So use it as a seat, off you go. So it's well worth the money. Definitely recommend buying one when you buy your boat, or if you haven't got one, I definitely would recommend one. So here is the setup. So at the moment I have the bench seat placed up the front, obviously the PVC tank holder with my scuba tanks, 2 of those. I've got my freediving fins, got my buddies fins. This also acts as a fantastic mask holder. I've got 2 paddleboard paddles. Obviously haven't gone with the oars, just because we're in and out of the boat and I think oars would get in the way. So just made up a 19mm piece of PVC pipe and put a bungee on it, and it works quite good. So here we are. We're out in the Bay of Islands, and water temp's not too bad, winter. It's sitting at about 13 degrees. Oof. I'm wearing a 5mm suit, and I got to, I think about 18 to 20 meters, and it was down to 10. So it's pretty nippy for us. It is winter, but damn, it's good to get out. So loving this craft. This craft's a decent little dive machine. We had to adjust the transom mount on the outboard, so it's now on the 4th peak, the maximum peak. It was just bellowing spray off the bow. So in case of emergency, exits are this way.